5.56. Let's see what I can do with it. Oh yeah, that's that band number too. So that shit. The level. I'll show you how I finish. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy New Tack Firearms Gear and Gun Review, and it's finished, y'all. The project is done. My upper came in last Saturday. I took it to the range, zeroed it in, and I'm loving what I got so far, man. I got some footage. I'm rolling so you can see me at the range, breaking it in. For those who follow me on IG, for those who don't follow me on IG, New Tack Firearms Gear and Review. And yeah, so let me go ahead and show it to y'all. Here it is, the Aero Precision build, upper and lower. This is the anodized black 14.5 inch upper. Oh, for those internet guys out there. See it safe and clear, safe direction. So yeah, 14.5 upper. Got the it has the M48 upper on there. It's the enhanced, so it's one continuous rail on top. See that? One continuous rail on the top. I threw on pretty much the basic mag pull flip up sights. The mag pull vertical grip. I changed out the muzzle device that came on there for this VG6. I haven't got it pin and welded yet, but you can see get a little. That's the VG6 Gamma on there. I put that on. I got some shots of that where I shot it before it got on there, and it had a nice little recoil on it. But then when I put that on there, bruh, John shot flat. I was really impressed with that. Got the it's a little dirty. I haven't cleaned it yet. Probably won't clean it yet. You can see if I can get it in there. All right, yeah, that's the Fail Zero nickel boron on there, and I have the Radiant Arms, the Raptor Light charging handle, and I went ahead and threw on this Magpul, the MS3 sling. Yeah, man. And then my man's just let me run this red dot right now until I get used to if I want to put 1-6 or 1-8 or a different red dot on there. So I'm getting used to that. I'm feeling like I want to put 1-6, maybe 1-8. I think I want to go with the primary arms. It has the ACSS reticle in there. It's 1-6 power, and it has an illuminated reticle inside of that, so you get both a scope and a red dot, especially if you had a 1 power. But if you haven't seen the other videos, I went over the lower. Not gonna do that right now. Go check it. But told you I was gonna bring it to y'all when I got it done, and I probably I want to say about a good 100 rounds through it already. But I'm definitely finished. I can't wait to my next build. I don't know if I'm gonna build another 14.5 or a recce. I might end up just building a pistol, something for the truck. But some of the components that I have on this one, I'll probably put on the pistol just because I'm a creature of habit, and I kind of want to, if I like something, I'll probably use that a lot. But Aero Precision, man, they make a quality product. This is my first rifle build. I'm so excited about it. So this not gonna be my last build, but there's more to come. So there it is one more time. 14.5 is completed. Quad rail on there. So yeah, it's your boy New Tech Firearms, Gun and Gear. Train, be safe, and hit that range. Peace.
I target at 100 yards too.
Really? Okay.
This one.
Okay.
It's like no rise to it.
Yeah. Definitely louder.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Make them misfire.
Yep. What?
Speed.
Double feed.
Oh, it's gonna teach paper target.
You can shoot whatever you want, man.
Let's see where this is good for that.